here, guys, I have one of these, and I have one of these. And you're probably thinking, why do I have these? Well, I'm gonna do, steam whistles and diesel horns. Well, I got some on here, and even though they're not actually real steam engines, this is kind of, but this is just like I could make a diesel one of this. So I will do it for you now, guys. So here's the steam one. You got a couple different ones on the steam one, so I'll put the first one. This is the Station Master. This is one of the steam engines. Another steam engine. Another one. Another one. And the last one. That's all the steam whistles, and I'll play the horn for you now. Here's the horn. There's a couple different versions. There's not many of the steam though. That's one of the engines from the Italian Railway, and here's the last one. And use just a little Class 37 horn, or just like an electric train horn. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.